Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be playing Mega Obby. So thanks for playing. In the tournament we'll give you a free evil bear and one skip. Okay, so do we get in our inventory? None. Let's go we check pets. Oh, we have an evil bear. There's a bear. But let me first get this out the way and see that. Okay, ooh, it's like at the top of me. Okay. So I think we go this way. Pet smoke trails, fire sparkles. Those are what we get. Okay. So able easy. So this disable's easy, but I want to try easy. And if it's like too easy, I'll try hard. I don't mind trying hard. So, ooh, a minute. Jump across this. Jump. Oops, I died. Go a little. Oh, I got it like down, so I can see what's down. There we go. Get away from the red. Yep. There we go. Go here. Jump. Ooh, fly there. I was expecting that. Go here. Oops, I died. I have only one life left. Be good, guys. Make sure to go check this out too. Let me show you what this app is. Mega Easy Obby 400 stages. Make sure to go check this out. I like it. It's not that bad. Make sure to go check it out. It's stuck on orange, yeah. I'm gonna say, do we only stay on green? Okay. Double knife left. Hope it doesn't get ruined. There we go. Now this. If I like pass 3 more stages without dying, I'll do hard. But you could touch it, okay. I couldn't touch it. I'm like, my hands are literally touching it. Okay. So we did. Okay. I died, so we have to do another 3 lives. You have to disable easy. Let's try disabling easy. Oh, wait, let's try to do a program there. Jump. Not the middle. Yep. Okay, we have one more. Okay, this one. There we go. I disabled easy. Easy, I mean. How is it like? How is it still so easy? Okay, so I restarted just to tell you guys. So I have 3 lives now. Right. Okay. I'm not supposed to jump on the red. Let's see. Wait a minute. My bear almost got into trouble. Up here, right here, right here, and right here. Total stages completed 20. We're on a roll. It's only been 4 minutes. Oops. I have one more life. Okay. I have to restart all of it. Oops. Hold on. Let me stop lagging. Okay. I sometimes lag for a second, but then I get back to my regular. So now let's go. this. Yeah, I like for a second. It spawns you the correct way, so now I know. I have one more life. Here we go. Lag. I keep lagging. Stop lagging. Okay. Now we're back. I always lag for a second. That's why I try to complete as much as possible. Okay, now I have 3 more lives again. Okay, now I have 2 more lives again. Oh, I didn't even notice we went in circles. Did you even know? I didn't even know there was like one there. I thought that was like this little studio. Oops. Now I died. I think I have one already died, so let's just say let's restart. So I have 3 lives. Alright, now we have to restart. Now we use it. Okay, 3 lives. No, I don't want to skip it. I want to get a stage like cause like I don't want to use my skip for a thing that is like not that hard, but then I have a harder stage and I can't skip it. Bruh, I lagged so much, like yeesh. Maybe don't check this app out if it lags so much. Past 31 stages? Yeah, past 37 stages now. I don't know how that's supposed to catch anybody's eye. I guess that's okay. What? I literally went on 0. How? What? I was doing correctly. Did you guys see that? Sometimes lags, but it sometimes works. If it doesn't work for you guys, I'm sorry. I presume it was a good thing. Bruh. Hold on, let me stop lagging. I'm not gonna do it when I'm lagging. Dang it, almost there. Oops. I'm not skipping it. Go up here. There we go. Oh, that was a lag. That was a lag. For God's sake, please stop making me laugh. Guys, we're gonna play Work at the Pizza Place. Hey guys, so here we are at Work at the Pizza Place. So let's start playing so we could be a cashier, cook, pizza boxes, deliverer, or a supplier, or start at home. I think I'd rather be a supplier. I love being a supplier. Like literally. Okay. 8 coins, 200 coins, yay. Now let's see, I'm at my house. We're almost there. Okay. Go like this, and then back up. Yeah. And you see this really for the front so I can see what I'm doing. Okay. Okay, we gotta see what they need more of. They pretty don't need more stuff, but I'll do dough. just in case. Do this. Do this. Just in case. I'm doing all of these just in case. I might have to work on another job till like we're out of it. So yeah. Put these. No, I don't wanna. Oh, my look. I like perfect. I like beautiful. Everybody's beautiful in their own way. So just to tell all of you guys that say, "Oh, I'm ugly." No, you're not. You're beautiful in your own way. If other people don't see it, that's their fault. But you're pretty in your way. So yeah. Put that in there. What do we need more of? Blue. We need more of pepperoni. Why is the pepperoni blue? I don't get that. I don't get that. What is that? Walk around it a couple times. Okay, that's pretty enough for my truck. For one truck. Let's hope there's enough for all of these. Oops. Somebody's talking. I can put it right here. Okay, so I filled my truck up full. So now we know we have more stuff for later. Telling me to use these emojis. I'll do it at my house. There's my house. It's soon becoming a medium, and then I'm gonna save up for like I'm soon gonna save up for like stuff for my house. Watch out, please. Trucks here. Okay, we're good. Get it all going. Perfect. For the second. Okay, so manager job is not open, but I don't see that manager doing anything. So why not vote them out? Oh, there she is. Oh, 3 wanted her out. 3 other people. Dang, I can't get bonus, huh? Can I get bonus? Bonus? Bonus, can I? Can I? Huh? Tell me it. I can't. Goodbye. Goodbye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. She's typing. Girl, I was here first. I was here first. Can't. The is 5. I can't. I can't. He is 5. I don't get it, guys. He can't type. You need a manager who knows how to type. Like, Seesaw. Seesaw. Get some of the cheese going. Get some of this going. Cheese and this. We are mostly wanting these. Why she knock on the floor, like, girl? There we go. Let's get more pepperoni. Let's get some more pepperoni going.